Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can have CapCut Pro features completely free in your own device, and I'm going to be showing you guys how this app works, the one that allows you to do that, and also how you can install it in your own phone. So if you are an iPhone user, I will be showing you guys some additional steps that you need to do with your settings, just some adjustments to be able to download the app without any issues. But if you are an Android user, don't worry, you can still download the app, you just don't need to make these extra steps. Either way, I suggest you watch the video until the very end so you guys can see how you can download the app and have it for yourself in your own device. Okay, so I'm gonna be switching the screen and showing you guys using my own phone, just how everything works. So stay tuned and keep on watching. All right, everyone, so I want to show you guys how this app works before we continue with the downloading part and the settings adjustments. So I'm on my iPhone here, and I'm just going to quickly show you just how easy it works. So the name of the app is CapCut++, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it here, and it's going to open the CapCut Pro Mod X menu here. And just to show you guys, I can have these features completely free. I'm going to go ahead and just click on this one, the support 4K 60 FPS frames per second. So I'm going to click on that just so you guys can see that this actually works. I'm going to click here, and now it automatically activated the 4K 60 frames per second support. So that's pretty awesome. Now we can have videos in that quality, so that's great. So now moving on to the settings part, like I mentioned before, if you're on Android, you don't need to do this step, but if you are using iPhone, iOS, then please follow along. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to open our settings, and we're going to go to the battery section. And in battery, we're just going to make sure that we have low power mode turned off, and make sure that we have at least 10% battery. Mine's at 26, barely making it, but at least 10% is good enough to be able to download the app. So once we've checked our battery settings and made sure that low power mode is off, we are going to go ahead and continue and heading up to our general. So in general, we're going to go where it says background app refresh. So go ahead and click there. And then once again, background app refresh, click there once again. And here we're just gonna make sure that we have at least Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data selected. So if it isn't off, you want to switch it to either one of those. So I have Wi-Fi selected, so we're good there. So after we've gone and checked that, we're going to head to our About section, also under the General section. So in our About, we're going to go and click here. And here we're just going to make sure that our iOS version is at least 11 or above. So mine is at 16.2. So I'm good to go there. If you guys are 11 and above, you're also good to go. If you don't have 11 or above, just make sure that you update your iOS version. All right, guys, so after we've done that, all we have left to do is go all the way back to our settings and go down to Safari right here. So once you're in Safari, we're gonna go all the way down to Advanced right here. So in Advanced, we're just going to make sure that we have JavaScript enabled. This is super important, guys. If you do not have it enabled, make sure that you turn it on. That way you can actually download the app and have no issues there. So once you've done that, that is basically it for the settings adjustments. And now we're going to go ahead and continue with the downloading. So I'm just going to give you guys the URL, and for that we're just going to need to go to our web browser. So go ahead and click there. Once you open up your web browser, what you're going to do is you're going to type in the following URL. It's getyourapp.net. .net, like so. So it's getyourapp.net, and you just go here and you search in CapCut++, and you can just follow those steps and download the app without any issues. And that is how you can have CapCut Pro features for free, you guys. So how cool. All you have to do is go to this webpage, this URL, and just follow those steps and you're good to go. So that's it for today's tutorial, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.